you doing? Thanks for tuning in. My name is Anubis, also known as the Gothic Tech Guy. Welcome to my show. Alright, as you see from the title, we're going to do the unboxing of the fast charger for the iPhone 10 and as well as the iPhone 8. So, originally, I figured I didn't need this because I was using the charger from my iPad, wow, really, iPad to charge my phone. And the thing is, it charges pretty fast. It's definitely faster than the little pathetic brick you get with the phone. But there's a but. It's not as fast as the fast charger as we have here. So, also, to save money, I was trying to get away with it, but using the iPad charger. But yeah, nothing beats charging your phone in less than an hour. So now, I'm racking my brain to remember how much I paid for everything. I did a whole lot of shopping today, but I believe the USB-C Lightning was $30. Yeah, I believe this is $30.
Oh,
and
GG, man.
the USB-C Powerwall adapter, this was $40, I believe. So yeah, all together $70. And no, this is not really made for the iPhone 10. It's actually for the computer. It's just that it could work with it. And I looked at other people's videos and stuff to look for cheaper options. But the thing is, it's like, okay, I saw some charges like $15, $20, the wall brick. But no matter what, you still have to get the official Apple cable. And I'm like, okay, so I can get this cheaper and save some money. But you pay so much money for the iPhone 10. And then you're going to go and get back alley deals on everything else. I'm like, that doesn't make sense. You might as well keep the money flowing and get everything official. You know what I'm saying? So, we ain't got the official stuff. And we also, from the season title, it should also be in the title. Bonus, I'm going to unbox a new case that I got for my phone. Because the phone is good. It's awesome. This case I have that you should have seen with the unboxing of the phone itself. This case is great. It comes up a little bit, so when I put the phone down, the screen doesn't touch the surface. It's definitely thick enough so that if it hits the ground, it's not going to break my phone. It's drop test and all that good stuff. But the problem is when I'm on the phone and I have this in my pocket and I get a text message, it unlocks the screen. Then the heat from my leg, I don't know if this happened to you, but I spoke to some of my friends, it does happen to them. The heat from my leg actually hit buttons on my screen. So like one time the mute was hit, one time it hung up on the person I was talking to. So I was like, okay, this is ridiculous. I'm going to have to get a wallet case. So that's what we got here. Should be in the title. Alright, so let's start off with the most expensive first. My trusty blade. Alright, let's go with the wire first. What do I have to cut? Do I have to cut anything? Did I go blade? Did I grab my blade for nothing? Is there anything to cut? Yeah, I see a tape there. What was that? Cut my fingers off so the video can go viral? Nah, chill. Am I supposed to just pull this? I really don't want to destroy the box. You see, I kind of like to collect boxes. I don't know if I would collect these boxes, but I bought so many wires and stuff. Really not a lot, but I do have a lot. I don't know. I bought a few of these cables for my phones in my past. Hey, Kasha wants to make a cameo. Tell me y'all saw that. She stepped on a sticker and it got stuck on her paw. She's like, what the fuck is this? Yeah, that's what you get for jumping up here. No one invited you.
I'm done. I want to play Fire Z now.
That's you in the background. We're gonna play some games. Easy started without me. All right. So originally, I should have mentioned that this is the 1 minute. I think it's called millimeter. What is this? I can't even make that word out. It's too small for me.
Let me see.
Oh, my son's
What you said out of that? 1 millimeter.
Well, yeah, I was right. 1 millimeter. So yeah, it's 1 millimeter. I really wanted 2, but no, like we went everywhere. No one has 2. I was looking for 2, and I was also looking for the Apple iBuds, I believe they're called, but again, sold out everywhere. So it's crazy. So this is that's kind of short. This is the 1 millimeter, and yeah, not even 2 arm length. So let me see. So if it's plugged into the wall, like your phone's gonna have to be like right at the edge. There's really no breathing room, but okay, sure. So here's the cord, and as you can see, okay, as you can see, this end goes into your phone either way. I love that, and this is the end that's gonna go into the power brick. All right. So, and speaking of which, here's the power brick. So let's see, what do I cut? I cut that. All right. He sword. So I guess I just go right there. What's the stitch? Can I just cut it? Is my blade going dull? I'm gonna have to sharpen this again. There we go. Let's put you up. Don't want to lose fingers. Oh, this one actually came with instructions. This one ain't come with instructions. Oh, I'm a bad unboxer. I didn't tell you what's rest in the box. Yeah, so apparently it does come with some Apple instructions with the most tiniest Smurf words I have ever seen. I don't know why there's so much writing on just how to plug in your plug, but okay. Is this instruction or is this the warranty? Whatever it is, I can't even read it. It's micro. And this one also, and yeah, I'm gonna need some magnifying glass to tell you the difference between these two. I don't know. It's a lot of Smurf words. All right, so that's that. That's just the wire. Okay, so in here with the power brick, look at that, packed up pretty nice. So you know, it's Apple. That's what they do. And here it comes with instructions also. So, oh, this one is the words a little bit bigger. All right. So this is the warranty. Comes with a warranty. That's good to know. So this is the warranty. I guess I'm gonna hang on to this. And this is how to use it. That you can take the brick apart. I'm just going by that picture because again I can't read these words. All right. So it's packed up right here, and it's there we go. That's nice. Don't appear to be anything else in here. It's just to hold it. So let's see. It's got like some kind of tape thing around it. Oh, there we go. It's a tab. Let's see if it's gonna make any noise. All right. Ooh. Whoa. There we go. Not as smooth as unwrapping the phone, but sure. It's definitely bigger than the power brick from the iPad power brick. Definitely feel a difference. I should do a comparison. Junior, on the top of the TV there, pass me that power brick. Yeah, with the cable, everything. Alright, so Junior's bringing over what I've been using to charge my phone previously to this, because I'm going to use that exclusively. So this is the iPad power brick I've been using. This is the 10 watt, not the 12 watt. I didn't even know there was a difference until I started looking at people videos. I was like, wait, they come 12 watt now? So this is the old cable. So let's do a cable comparison since we have it. So this is the USB, and this is the new USB-C. It's actually smaller. So the smaller you get, the stronger you get, apparently. And this is the power brick for the iPad, and this is the USB-C power brick that's actually for the laptops. And as you can see, it's noticeably bigger. Like I knew this was way bigger, even without having this directly in my hand, because I'm so used to carrying this with me. and that's where you're gonna plug it in at. So it's definitely gonna be put to the test because my battery, like I literally just walked in the house and like let me do this unboxing because I am about to use this brick. It is about to go down because my battery is. Oh wow, yeah, right. You gotta open up the screen to see the percentage of your battery. Yeah, 20%. So yeah, we're gonna get to the charging. So I'll definitely do a review of that later. And plugs in like that, and I'll tell you what, you're not gonna believe me. It feels expensive. It feels like this is worth money. Let's take the other break go. Like this, it feels like it's worth something too, but this is so much heavier. Like it's like maybe 3 or 4 times the weight of this. So it feels like power. You holding power in your hand. All right. So let's mess with my table. So let's just move this to the side. All right. Now, unboxing of the wallet case. So, do I need the blade? No, it looks like there's something here. I have to say, I really like the way this is like all packaged and stuff. And I'll have the Amazon link in the description in case you want to buy this. It was a little over $10. Then I paid another $10 to have it shipped to me next day delivery. Because I don't like to wait. Alright, so in the box, it's like this. And comes with something in here. Ooh, some kind of Amazon something. You know what? I think my eyes are just tired today because I only made out Amazon. So we'll get to reading that later. It might be some kind of deal or something because I've been spending so much money on Amazon lately. So here's the case, and it's like I believe it's supposed to be a folio case. Yeah, it's folio case. So it's the same case that Apple sells. Same company, sorry. Like the same company that sells the cases with Apple. Except for this is not, made out of, genuine leather, not for that price. And the back has the cutout for the Apple logo. And as I said in the other video, I love cases that have the Apple logo. So I went with this wallet case so that it can protect my screen, and I want to sit my phone up so that I could watch videos, because I watch a lot of videos on here. Like if I'm at work or something, I'll throw a quick video on or whatever. So I figure, you know what, wallet case could be useful. So should be simple. Just place your phone in like this, snap it in, and there you go. Unlike the $100 case at Apple though, when you open it and close it, it's not gonna turn the phone off and on. But it does have a magnet here to keep it closed. And look at that. This is what really attracted to me to this. Look how slim it is. Like, it doesn't add that much bulk to my phone, and it's really secure. Like if I'm walking and accidentally slip out my hand, with this enclosure, it's not gonna fly open. So it's gonna land, if it lands this way, on its back, whatever, it's fully covered at every angle. Like all the ports are open and everything. It's nice. Oh snap! Look at that. It doesn't open. It doesn't stand itself up. Wow. I guess I'll be buying another case. I guess maybe I could do it like that. Nope, it's sliding. No, not good. All right. So for those of you that don't want to hold your phone up, I guess it's still good. It has slots for your credit cards. It has a nice department here if you want to put some cash in it. And like I said, it doesn't add no bulk or anything. Cutouts is pretty good. Let's see if the cutouts block out the camera or anything. So let's see. Picture. Can y'all see? Can you see that? See that? So let's take a picture of these boxes. So I'm not seeing anything. Let's See, I'm not seeing anything that blocks the camera, so that's good. That's good. So, I mean, like I said, it's like 15, like $10-15. So for $10-15, it's good. I don't like that it doesn't stand my phone up, but other than that, it's good. So, really hope you liked this unboxing. I did. I'm super excited. I liked it. I finally got this. Oh, you know what? We should do a measurement. Because they told me in the store that this will be the same length of the cord that comes in the box. It doesn't look so. It looks really short. And it's not. So look at that. Look how much room. This is crazy. I really feel like bringing it back and getting and see if I can get a longer one. Crazy. I don't know. I'll see if by using it and I see that I don't have no length to do anything, then that's gonna be a problem. I'll bring it back and see if I can get the longer one. But I don't know. I'm just happy I got it because I need my phone to charge faster when I'm at work. Cause I'm on my phone all the time and I can't always leave my phone plugged in. I mean, I can, but I'm not about to trust the people in my office not to try to touch my phone while I'm not there. You know what I'm saying? No. We're not doing that. All right. You know what? The phone. I said this in the unboxing. The phone should have came with a brick like this. It really should have. Instead of that little. I don't even know that little crap that they gave me. Like I always toss those to the side. I use this immediately. From the iPad 6 Plus, I've been using this charger, and from all the way to the 6 Plus to the 6S Plus, 7, and now 10. But it's about to die with the 10. I'm going to use. Oh, no pun intended. I guess it's not supposed to be making this anymore. Some crap. I'm gonna be using this, and hopefully the next lineup it will come with a bigger charge. But yeah, that's been the unboxing. Comment, rate, subscribe, share my videos, and we're almost there. What? Almost where, you say? Well, like I said in all my videos, YouTube is cracking down on us small YouTubers, and they want us to have 1,000 subscribers, and I am 320 subscribers away. Woo! We're almost there. We're doing it. I'm seeing every day good 4 to 5 people is subscribing to me for the past week now. Let's keep this party going. All right. So share my video, subscribe, and hit that notification button. I know I don't say that enough. I really don't. I really need to hit that notification button so you know when a new video pop up. And I have a new case. I'm gonna order a new case, and when I get it, I'm gonna do an unboxing of that. We're gonna keep getting things and spending money. I'll see you in the next video, dudes.